Hello everyone, this is me Teresa and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will create a YouTube intro for your YouTube videos like this intro. This video is right for those who are just starting a YouTube channel or for those who are looking for an idea on how to create a YouTube intro. So if you're one of them, let's go to my screen and let's learn together. YouTube intro videos are short introductory clips that play at the beginning of a YouTube video. They usually include the title of your YouTube channel, logos, colors, animations, and music. We will use Canva YouTube Intro Maker. Both Canva Free and Pro account can create one here. If you are using Canva Free account and you want to try Canva Pro for 30 days, you can use my link on the description below. You can explore Canva Pro for a 30 days free trial. You can cancel at any time, hassle-free. To start with, open up Canva and search for YouTube intro, or you can pull up a blank page and start browsing free templates for your inspiration. On the left side of your screen, you can filter the style, the theme, and the color. This is my YouTube intro. I just put YouTube channel name, icon of a thumbs up, subscribe, and bell icon here, and then tutorial. If you want to create your YouTube intro, you can use templates here and have some editing in there, or you can create your own YouTube intro by using the videos here, or if you have your own video, you can use your own video. Let's use some videos here. This one is for free. If you click on the three dots, you will know what's the name of that video. Click it and automatic it will go to your blank page. And then to make it as your background, you can right click the video and set video as background. As you can see, it's 1 minute and 34 seconds. What we're gonna do here is to split this. Let's play first. You can input your YouTube channel name. You can put it on the center, and what we're gonna do here is to split this video. Click on the video, right click, split page. Here on the next page, you can put like tutorials, or if you're on the travel blog or gaming, you can put details in your YouTube intro according to your channel content. And then let's split this again. Right click again, split. We have now two pages. You want to put subscribe button. You can type a text here, or you can go to the left toolbar, go to elements and search for subscribe button. You can choose from here if you want to use this one, if you want to use the animated one, and there's a lot you can choose from. Again guys, be mindful in using elements because some of them or most of them are available for Canva Pro. Okay, and then you can add some bell icon here. You can select this all by just dragging like this, and then go to top toolbar, group, then you can move it around. Then split it again, right click, and then this one we can delete that one kung wala na kayong ilalagay na mga details. Alright, so let's click on that, delete. This one is 7 seconds, so let's drag it to something like 3. Okay, 3.5. Let's play and see the preview. Tutorials and subscribe button. If you want to add some transition, you can click on the plus icon, then transition, and you can choose transitions from here. This is one is new. This one is okay. I want this match and move. You can adjust the duration to 3 seconds or 5 seconds, whatever you want. And then if you want to add different transition here, click again the plus sign. Then you can choose, let's use the circle wipe. You can adjust duration and the direction if you want out or in. If you're okay on that, you can add an audio. Go to the left toolbar and go to audio. Then you can choose audio here, or you can download or upload your own audio. You can see here uploads on the left toolbar, upload the media, images, videos, and audio. Let's say ito yung gagamitin natin na audio. You can just click on that and then it will automatically load here. If you want to reduce the volume, you can tap on the 3 dots, go to volume. You can reduce it to 50 or whatever you want. And so if you're okay with your YouTube intro, you can go to share, then download MP4 video, then download all pages. So, kung napapansin nyo, napaka-iksi niya guys. But if you want, you can make it a little bit longer. If you want to use Canva templates, you just want to edit the template, you can drag one here and then do some editing. So for example, this one, drag it here. This one is for technology. Okay, you can add or you can change the background color by clicking the background. Go to background color and then change it to the color you like. Let's say ito. Okay. Then if you want to change the text, select the text and then type the word you like to input there. Then if you want to change the font, select the text, go to top toolbar font and then you can choose fonts here. Here is the size of the font. You can reduce it by clicking here or by just dragging it like that. Okay. To change the element, click on elements, then go to the left toolbar, go to elements, and you can search elements that you want to input in there. If you are using elements, animated elements, you cannot able to change the color for that. I hope you find this video useful. To get updated for tutorial like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. Like and share, comment down below for your questions. Thank you for watching. Good day and God bless everyone.